A shocking incident was reported in Indore during the Navratri festival. A family ordered vegetarian food through Zomato but received a non-vegetarian dish instead. The order included roti, butter paneer, rice and chili paneer. However, chili chicken was delivered. The family was performing religious ritual at the time and was deeply hurt. They immediately kept the food outside and later filed a police complaint. The order cost around Rs 363 and was delivered within 15 minutes. The incident has raised concern about food delivery accuracy during religious occasions. The Madhya Pradesh government has approved a 3% increase in DNS allowance for its employees. The decision was taken during a cabinet meeting led by Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. The meeting started with the singing of the national song. This decision will benefit lakhs of government employees across the state. The salary of employees will increase after this hike. The move was already expected after earlier instruction by the Chief Minister. Employees welcomed the decision, calling it a relief amid rising expenses and inflation. The issue of illegal sand mining in rivers has reached Parliament. Bhind Member of Parliament Sandhya Rai raised concern about illegal mining in the Sindh River. She said such activities are damaging the environment. Responding to the issue, Minister of State for Environment Kirti Vardhan Singh said the government is working on forest and environmental protection. He admitted that riverbank forests are being harmed. The issue highlights growing concern about illegal mining in Madhya Pradesh and its impact on natural resources and ecology. A disturbing incident has come from Datia district. A village leader's husband was beaten and publicly humiliated by a group of men. He was forced to wear a garland made of shoes and paraded in the market. The video of the incident is going viral on social media. The incident is linked to a personal dispute involving a young man and a married woman who had left home. Police had earlier recovered the woman, who said she went on her own. No case was filed against the village leader's family. A disturbing incident has come from Datia district. A village leader's husband was beaten and publicly humiliated by a group of men. He was forced to wear a garland made of shoes and paraded in the market. The video of the incident is going viral on social media. The incident is linked to a personal dispute involving a young man and a married woman who had left home. Police had earlier recovered the woman, who said she went on her own. No case was filed against the village leader's family. Bhopal will host a Grand Army Day parade on 15th January 2027. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav made this announcement after meeting Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi. The decision focused on encouraging youth to join the armed forces. The event will showcase military strength and promote patriotism. It will be a major event for the state capital. Preparations are expected to begin soon. This will also boost the city's importance at the national level and inspire young people to serve the country. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has upheld the Dial 112 emergency service contract given to AMRI Green Health Services. The court refused to interfere in the tender process and said everything was done legally. The hearing was conducted by a division bench led by Chief Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva. The court agreed with the state government's argument and rejected the petition challenging the contract. This decision confirmed that the company will continue providing emergency response services in the state. Bhopal Municipal Corporation has presented a budget of Rs 3,938.45 crore for the city development. Mayor Malti Rai announced plans to improve infrastructure and public services. However, questions are being raised as several old promises are still incomplete. Projects like Heritage Gates and Geeta Bhavan have not been finished for the past 2 years. Despite this, new plans have been announced again. Citizens are expecting better execution and timely completion of projects to improve living conditions in the city. The weather in Madhya Pradesh is becoming very hot day by day. Current temperatures are around 30 to 34 degrees Celsius and they are expected to increase further this week. In the coming days, daytime temperatures may reach 38 to 41 degrees Celsius in many cities like Bhopal, Indore and Jabalpur. Nights will also remain warm between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, giving little relief. The sky will stay mostly clear with strong sunlight during the day. There is no rain expected in the next few days. People are advised to stay hydrated, avoid direct sunlight, and take care of their health as heat conditions are getting stronger across the state.